So let's say we want to animate our camera, and if we'll just switch over here to camera view so we can see that, I'll split the screen and I'll hit 0 on the number pad so that we can see our camera view. Maybe we'll go to top view here, and I'm going to set a keyframe. So we'll just lift up on the bottom here so we can see that clearly. And we're on frame 1. I'm going to insert a key. Select the camera first. We want to animate the camera, not the cube. I'll hit the I key to insert a key for location and rotation, lock rod, because I am going to be rotating the camera. I'm going to go to frame 100. I'll grab the camera. I'll rotate it. R key to rotate, G key to grab. And you can see I've got to probably angle it down a bit. I'll hit 3 and just grab this and drop it a little bit, right about there. And insert a key, I key once again for lock rod. And if we go back to that initial frame, we can actually see what's happening here, and we can watch the camera move. If I set my end frame to 100 and hit the spacebar to play this, we should see it repeatedly going through that very simple animation. And it does do a smooth start and smooth stop, as you can see. There's ways to tweak that, but that's the basics for now. Over and out.